Welcome back to my channel, you guys. So my name is Anna. This is my lovely boyfriend Skylar over here. Today's video is about what?
We're gonna do cooked food versus uncooked food.
Okay, so I'm going to explain how this game is supposed to work. So we rock, paper, scissors. Whoever wins rock, paper, scissors spins the first one. And then we rock, paper, scissors again, and the other one spins it. And then at the end, whoever wins rock, paper, scissors gets to what?
Choose who eats what?
No. Chooses their own bowl. That's what they get to do, is choose their own bowl. So that is how the game begins. You excited to play?
Yep.
What do you want?
Cooked food.
I want all cooked food. He wants all cooked food. So I hope y'all enjoy. So let's get into the show. Let's go. Round number 1. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, oh yeah. I won. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You gotta switch it. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Babe, you can't just keep doing rock.
I didn't.
Yes, you did.
I did scissors.
Go.
You done rock.
Go.
Go again.
You done?
Yep.
Close your eyes. Stop looking mad. Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Hold on. We are completely out of sync.
Guys, you keep going fast. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. You can't
do nothing.
Okay, you do. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Okay, you got me. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper.
I won twice.
It's 3.
Wait,
Pick.
I win, so I get to pick what I want, right?
Mm-hmm.
I want this one.
Alright. He wants the bowl in front of him, so we're gonna see what we get. You excited?
Not really.
Alright, let's go. I got cooked! Yeah! I got cooked! How about that one? He got non-cooked. So he is eating a non-cooked oatmeal, and I'm eating oatmeal that's cooked. You mad?
What?
You mad?
What?
You can hear stop acting stupid. You ready? Ew. That looks disgusting. So the oatmeal that we are eating is strawberry oatmeal.
Strawberries and what? This looks like...
Strawberries
Yeah.
only.
Look at this. It looks like... Look, there's a piece of strawberry, and that looks like a piece of, like, meat or dog food or something.
Show the camera. You gotta get up there.
Little piece of strawberry, big piece of meat in my oatmeal.
Now you gotta take a big bite.
Did you already take a bite?
Mm-hmm.
I gotta take a bite?
You have to take 2 bites.
2?
Yeah.
Oh, God, I don't want the powdery stuff. Alright. I want the strawberries. Alright, here's my first one. You ready?
Mm-hmm. So camera.
Did you get it all wet? It ain't that bad. The strawberries help out a lot. Don't put that there. I got you. Yeah, I only do 1 bite. I can only do 1 bite. I have to do 2. Really?
It's fine, you can do 1.
Oh, okay. I was supposed to take another bite.
Okay. This is gonna be round 2. What do you want this time? Well, he
Obviously,
did.
I want the cooked food.
He does like non-cooked food, so don't let him fool y'all. I personally don't.
Wasn't very rich growing up.
I wasn't rich either. I'm still not rich.
I'm just saying.
But I like heating up my food if I can find a way to heat it up. I'm stuck. Okay. Let's rock, paper, scissors.
Okay, here we go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Okay.
I get to choose again?
Yep.
Oh, wait, no, I gotta rotate
it.
it. Yeah.
Babe, there's stuff over there.
You close your eyes. Don't worry about what's going on right now.
Okay. You done? Skylar. Okay, babe. Close your eyes.
Just fall off the table.
Yeah, I did.
Oh my god.
Okay. We can't pick it up yet. Alright, ready?
I guess.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. I'm excited. Excuse me.
Her first game of rock, paper, scissors, she won. I'm so proud of you. Give me a kiss.
You're
Give
mean.
me a kiss.
Why can't be so mean?
That's one you want?
Yep. Alright. Alright, we're gonna count 3. 1, 2, 3. Non-cooked! Ew! I don't like non-cooked.
Pizza.
I got non-cooked pizza, and he got pizza that's cooked.
That looks pretty good.
Yeah, it does.
Take
You
your
ready?
bite.
You ain't gonna take yours?
I want to see you take yours. That don't count.
That does
No,
count.
it does not. That's a piece of pepperoni. Take a bite of the pizza.
No.
Yes.
You're not cooked. No.
I didn't.
I'm saying for reference.
How's it taste?
Okay, you gonna eat your pizza or you gonna lecture me about eating mine? I didn't lecture you about yours.
You ain't gotta lecture me.
I don't care for cold pepperonis. I'll eat them. So,
Take you another bite.
no, because you didn't take another bite of yours. Alright, you ready for the next one?
I guess.
I'm back. Alright, so this is gonna be round 3. Are we excited? Alright.
I keep forgetting about the rock, paper, scissors.
Alright, you ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Alright. Close those eyeballs. Alright, your turn.
Alright.
You
Yeah.
ready? You ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Close those eyeballs.
Come on.
Just fucking with them. I'm just kidding. Alright, you ready? I am nervous as can be. I don't care actually. This round I really don't care due to the fact that I can eat them both like that, but 1,
2.
3. Cooked! I got cooked. He got non-cooked. Guess
Yep.
what the non-cooked and cooked food is? Hot dogs! Hot Can you tell I got a nephew and niece and cousins? They're littler than me. It's not because of that either. He's just jealous. He can't be on my hyperness. Stop! That's disgusting. That is disgusting. Now eat that piece. That's that was my makeup. Scarlett licked my forehead earlier today. Stop.
This is kind of nasty. That was.
No.
I won't
No.
even get the taste out of my
You
mouth.
got a drink. No promos. Will you have a drink? I know, I'm about to be weird drinking chocolate milk with a hot dog. But I'm thirsty. The way they make hot dogs, don't even get me started.
That wasn't even better. Like, that's nasty. Both of them. The cooked one was probably worse than the.
This is round 4, correct? Yep. Stuff our papers back in these bowls. Alright, ready?
Ugh, that hot dog will make me sick.
Alright, ready? Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Go.
Alright.
Close those eyeballs.
Oh!
Why are you leaning back like that? Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 Alright. Pick. Say, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch Skylar by his toes. If he hollers, let him go.
This
Eeny, meeny, miny, mo.
I want this one.
Alright. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There's nothing in my bowl.
Huh?
There's nothing in it.
You're wrong. There is something.
Where? Oh.
Alright, so
Ah.
he got cooked, I got non-cooked. He got cooked meatballs and spaghetti, and I got non-cooked spaghetti and meatballs. Skylar don't like spaghetti and meatballs.
I'm not a big fan of spaghetti and meatballs.
He's not a big fan of spaghetti if I try to cook it for dinner one day. Because one day he's going to eat it. I'm talking my homemade food. I ain't talking about store-bought.
Okay.
Alright, you ready?
Nope. Is yours nasty? Mine's nasty too. Oh, God.
And I'm back. This is round 5. You excited for this round?
Nope. I'm not.
Alright.
The further and further we go, I'm getting sicker and sicker. That's nasty.
Alright, you ready?
Yep.
Alright. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Stop going scissors.
I'm not. It's a mind game.
You ain't.
You just
you
play
ain't
the game and don't complain.
Okay. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Yeah. Close those eyeballs.
Those my eyes.
Go. whoever gets the ball with the papers, papers, gets to choose what the other person gets to eat. Go. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. 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 I'm gonna choose mine. You ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3. Got it!
There's nothing in here.
Cause I get to choose. Did you not hear me say the person that has stuff in their bowl can choose some versus food? Cause this is the last round. Unless you want to do one more round.
Nope. I'm good. This is the last round, you guys.
You ready?
Nope.
Alright. You get that bowl? Put that over there. And I get this bowl.
Oh, I get this? Okay, I can do this. Man, why'd you tear the bag out like this?
You ain't supposed to be complaining. Supposed to be eating, boo boo.
Show you how we do this.
I'm not a big fan of beef, but this is all they had, so.
This is how we do this.
You're supposed to shake it in the bag. That's what I used to do. I am making a mess over here. You cleaning that up too? Babe, you're getting it everywhere. Switch. It does not have to be that dramatic.
Oh my god, you're such a buzzkill. I used to eat this stuff all the time.
Me too. This is the lazy way of not cooking it. You satisfied?
Yeah. Pretty satisfied with this one.
Mine's disgusting.
At least I ain't gonna get sick. Sure.
Okay. So that is the end of the video. Please like, and turn on the notifications, subscribe, comments. We are going to be trying our best to post a video every single day. We are going to try our best and motivate ourselves to do it. Y'all comment and let us know what you want to see. We are trying our best to make videos as much as we can. We just have crazy work schedules. Follow me on TikTok, Instagram.